until we fully liberate our land and get our freedom. And the victims will remember you.
This guy started by singing song on all this thing is trying to be PM by fire by force. Everything trying to become Simon Ekpa. Why don't you be yourself? You talk like him these days. You want to act like him. You want to present yourself like him. You want to sing some songs that PM normally do. You know, only thing that remains now is dance, because PM normally show record, make some short videos whenever he having some exercise in gym hall. Then this guy have done that. He want to play football. Where he's playing football, he's trying to record himself. Now, all the same on that's what is. You can hear him, right? You want to be Simon Ekpa on everything. The way PM talk, the way do you think that people will take you serious by that? Why don't you be yourself? Okay, even if you think that because that's what DS think, the same thing that they thought before. They felt that PM, the way he normally, the mode of his dressing, they want to mimic his dressing style. They want to be like him. They want to present their program the way PM do, having some cultural stuff, the background, Ishiago, and some, Igbo attire. After doing that, what happened? After doing that, what happened? Did it make them to have Biafrans, at their back? No, because nobody follow PM based on the way he dressed. Nobody follow, Master American because of the way he dressed or the way he present himself. No, but what he said and his action. He's trying to add volume to his voice, trying to sound like a tough man, More fire. More fire said they have a big statue of white Jesus in Nigeria. I don't understand what they mean by that. We are not here. We are not talking about religion here. We are talking about, what is going on in our land. Let's continue to listen to him.
Don't worry. We will revenge. We will fight and fight and fight until there will be no more terrorists in our land. Before I move on, I just want to tell my fellow Biafrans, I'm filled with joy getting some positive news from Finland. Our enemies, even in Finland, are running scatter. They are disappearing.
Wait. Let me understand. Let me understand this grammar again, because we are not an English people. So,
before I move on, I just want to tell my fellow Biafrans, I'm filled with joy getting some positive news from Finland. Our enemies, even in Finland, are running scatter.
Okay, they are running helter scatter. They are running helter scatter. They are running scatter. Let me take it back again. So I don't want to miss that part. Wait.
Victims, we remember you. We mourn you. Don't worry. We will revenge. We will fight and fight and fight until there will be no more terrorists in our land. Before I move on, I just want to tell my fellow Biafrans, I'm filled with...
Now, before we go further, let me show you this. Some of you don't